This next graph is a review of position versus time graphs. We covered this in the beginning of Unit 2. So if we describe what's happening at A, the best way to think about this is to draw a position timeline and say this is 0, this would be, say, 2, 4, 6, -2, -4, -6. It's hard to read these lines, but this is 0, 2, 4, and 6. So basically what's happening here, the person's starting right here at position 6, and they're standing there, and then they're still standing there, and they're still standing there. So when the line is flat on a position versus time graph, they're staying at rest. But for interval B, the person starts to walk. And what they're doing is they're walking from position 6, then they're at position 4, then they're at position 2, then they cross over the 0, and they end up right here at position -4. So they start at 6, they walk this way, and they end up here. So they are moving left, the line is going down, so that does mean moving left. And we can also assume that they're moving at a constant rate, because we can see that in, we've got a straight line basically, and we could calculate what's the slope here, what's the slope here. It's all exactly the same distances covered in the same amount of time. So we're going to say at B, they're moving left at a constant speed. At C, we got the same thing, but moving right. So the person left -4, they moved up to -2, they crossed over the 0, and they ended up at the +2. So the person walked this way and ended up here. So we will say they're moving right, and we can say they did this at a constant speed also because the line is straight.